Don't tell Team New Zealand because they might just revoke our access. We're about to do something a little bit controversial. We're making the trek across the harbour to see our old foes, Luna Rossa. We're on enemy turf now, aren't we? Dockouts are a big part of race day for every team. The boats depart their bases on a strict time schedule, and crowds of family, friends and fans turn out to fire them up with luck and love. Italy, slightly different to New Zealand. See how the Kiwis do it? Very demure, very mindful. Of course, what really counts is what happens on the water. It's early days in Luna Rossa's campaign, but they are setting themselves up to be New Zealand's final opponent. And by then, there should be a few more Kiwi fans in town.